Assalamu alaikum dosto and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn about short yet powerful words called pronouns. तो pronouns क्या है? Pronouns take the place of nouns. Instead of repeating nouns, we can replace them with pronouns. Let's understand this through an example. Asad is traveling to Karachi and Asad is going on a train. Asad is the name of a person and so it is a noun. Asad is being repeated twice in this sentence. We can replace it with a pronoun such as he. For example, Asad is traveling to Karachi. He is going on a train. The word he replaces the noun Asad and so is the pronoun in this sentence. Let's move on. Pronouns such as he, she, me, and I are used when we describe people. For example, I am going to the park. I is the pronoun. She is visiting her aunt. She is the pronoun. I and she replace nouns and so they are both pronouns. Moving on, it is another example of a pronoun. It is used to describe animals and things. For instance, look at the bird. It is colorful. Instead of using the bird twice, we can use the word it, and so it is the pronoun. Sit on the couch. It is comfortable. Similarly, it again is the pronoun. To avoid repeating the word couch, we use the word it. And remember that bird and couch are both nouns. Some other examples of pronouns are we, they, us, and them. दोस्तों, सोच के बताओ कि ये अल्फाज जुमले में कैसे इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं. Here is a table with 3 pronouns, us, she, and they. Blank are playing cricket. Walk with blank to the shops. Blank is eating dinner. Fill in the blanks using one of the pronouns given in the table. Let's go over the answers. They are playing cricket. Walk with us to the shops. She is eating dinner. They, us, and she are all pronouns. Pause the video and read over these sentences. And with that, the video has come to an end. Khudafiz dosto, and see you in the next video.